Today, I'm going to learn how to stack cards. And my goal is going to be to go 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 in a pyramid stack. That's just over one deck of cards worth. So we're going to see how long this takes. All right. So the rules are only teepees of 2 cards. Wow. This is going to be hard. Okay, what is going on? What? The most I've ever done in the past, I think, is like 3 back when I was like 10 years old. So pretty much starting from having never done this. I think I'm going to start with just some smaller stacks as a warm up, and then I'll build up to wider and wider. Okay. Betrayed by my own hands. That one looks a lot better so far. That's not good. We got a sticky situation here. Very precarious. Oh. Okay. I'm just not seeming to get the hang of putting this next layer on. It's so slippery. Oh, betrayed by my own hand. New record. Oh gosh. All right. No. Back to the drawing board. I'm gonna lay down these cards and just practice making teepees on these cards with lower stakes. All right, that was 10 practice teepees. Might as well just build on this. This is definite progress. Not gonna let my sleeves betray me again. No! I'm just gonna go ahead and settle in here. It may be a while. All right, next tower, I'm gonna try this dropping method where I build one apex with a roof and drop it. All right, I'm gonna try and knock this one out because these ones are not lined up right. Okay. New record. The drop method may be the key. All right, here we go. Almost just knocked it over. I'm so close. Yes! Oh, yes! Look at that. No. Well, I'm glad to say I don't have to do that again. And it already partially fell over, so thanks for watching. I seriously was starting to doubt if that was even possible. This is such a relief. And towards the end there, my heart was just racing from that last stack, as you can see. But man, that's a good feeling. Wow.